Senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh gave his farewell speech in the Rajya Sabha as he prepares to retire in the coming months. A total of 59 MPs were given farewell today. Singh said he has always chosen his own path in politics and thanks the Congress party for giving him opportunities to serve in different houses. During his speech, he remembered former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee and repeated his famous line, "I am neither tired nor retired." Singh said he will continue to work for the people and express gratitude to fellow members. In Shivpur district, Tehsildar Amita Singh Tomar may face arrest after a major setback from the Supreme Court of India. Her anticipatory bail plea in a flood relief scam case has been rejected by both the High Court and now the Supreme Court. The case is linked to alleged misuse of relief funds meant for flood victims. After the court's decision, chances of her arrest have increased. The development has created tension in the administrative departments and officials are closely watching the situation as legal action may happen soon. A bomb threat in Bhopal created panic but was later found to be fake. The threat targeted JK Hospital, Ellen Medical College, the District Court and Atal Bihari Vajpayee Hindi Vishwavidyalaya. Police and bomb disposal squad rushed to the location and carried out a detailed search operation. The email claimed that 21 bombs were placed inside the college campus. However, after thorough checking, no explosives were found. Authorities confirmed that the threat was false. Security has been tightened and investigation is underway to identify the person behind the email. Madhya Pradesh is making strong progress in women empowerment. According to government data, over 22.77 lakhs women in the state have become financially independent under the Lakpati Didi scheme. These schemes help women earn at least 1 lakh rupees per year through self-employment and group activities. With this achievement, Madhya Pradesh has become the fourth state in the country with the highest number of such beneficiaries. The data was shared in Parliament. Officials say the scheme is improving rural livelihoods and giving women better financial stability and confidence. The Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh has reacted to the Mona Lisa love marriage case that gained attention during the Prayagraj Kumbh Mela. RSS leader Dr. Prakash Shastri said such incidents are linked to a lack of proper values and upbringing. He added that Mona Lisa is not just a daughter of Malwa but of the whole country. He stressed that families plays an important role in guiding children and giving them the right values. According to him, if families provide strong cultural support, such situation can be avoided. The statement has sparked discussion on social and family values. Weather conditions are changing in Madhya Pradesh due to an active system. The meteorological department has said that for the next 4 days, the state may see storms and rainfall instead of intense heat. The Balaghat, about 1 inch of rain was recorded late at night. Cloudy conditions were also seen in northern districts like Bhind and Datia. In Bhopal, light clouds were visible during the day. Officials say the weather change may bring relief from heat, but people should stay alert for sudden storm and rain.